Hey guys, this is our latest build, which is a 148 extended transit, and we coined this Hagan. We did a full build on this job, and as always put in our mounting system, upper and lower. We also took care of the paneling, insulation, electric needs, some upper cabinetry, put in a lower kitchen with a fridge, as well as our compact kitchen cabinet on the passenger side that has a flip down table and a flip up countertop extension. We also went ahead and put in a loo box as well as a lower bench cabinet, where we then installed a articulating table to that front bench cabinet. Now you'll probably hear that heater kicking on in the background. It's a pretty brisk fall day here in Portland. That's that loo bench. Now on this side we have the Vitrifrigo 3.2 cubic foot fridge, which I like so much because of the depth. It's a very low depth fridge, which gives for a nice galley width in the remainder of the kitchen area of the van. Now on this passenger kitchen cabinet, we have some nice storage inside, as well as just simple 7-gallon water tank. And then we have our heater control, our dimming light switches for the ceiling as well as the underneath the cabinetry, and then some auxiliary controls for the fridge as well as a USB port. On the sink, we have an integrated 2-burner sink with running water and a glass top lid. Now on this countertop, we extended it a little bit further right over to our flip up kit bed system, which works great as a deep sofa both directions, as well as gives you a lot of access to all of the garage space underneath the bed system. So those are the highlights of this Hagan build. Check us out at roostvans.com.